I've fallen down a rabbit hole of Funko Pops and Hello Kitty. Everything I buy now has to be either pink or Hello Kitty, or both. What does this mean? Plus, I have a ton of crap on my desk from my Sephora haul that I need to show you guys. But that is for another video. I wanted today's video to be a 100% monogram video, but an unexpected intruder managed to make its way into this unboxing. Let me show you what I got so this can all make sense. And you tell me if I made the right decision or not. I went in with one piece on my mind just to get the packaging. Isn't that what we say every year? I'm just going to pick up one thing so I can get the Christmas packaging. We're all guilty of it. We walk in with one item on our wish list and you come out with a bag, a pair of shoes, a scarf, an SLG, and the list goes on and on. I swear, the Louis Vuitton store at the Galleria is a dangerous place to be. After acquiring my denim sunset bag earlier this year, I totally fell in love with the monogram version of that bag. The huge Marc Jacobs buckle and that raisin colored microfiber lining that totally lured me in. I went in, I walked around for a while. I fell in love with this bag, and this is the bag that I walked out with instead. And I totally stood up my sunset bag. Does that make me a bad Louis Vuitton person? I hope my sunset bag will excuse my erratic behavior. I promise you, Sunset, I'll be back. This is the bag I went home with. What do you guys think? Did I make the right decision? I can't fight who I am. I'm just a big bag person. I love bigger bags. It's got reverse monogram on the bottom, a brown leather trim all around, a gold chain, 2 zippers at the top with the brown zipper pulls. The zipper, as always, is smooth as butter. It comes with a pouch that I know I'm not going to use because I don't use my Neverfull pouch, so I think that's an indicator that I'm not going to use this one either, but you never know. I don't sell these. I like to hold on to them. I don't even know if this can come off. Hold on, let me check. Okay, it looks like it does come off, which is good. So, like the Neverfull, you can also turn this into a wristlet because it is detachable and it does come with a D-ring. So, if you wanted to use this, I guess, as like a small, crossbody bag or something, or just a wristlet when you go out, you could. That is not my vibe because, like I said, I only do medium to large size bags. It also comes with a brown leather strap. It looks like there's no engraving on this buckle right here. It also has a weird shape that I'm not used to seeing. It's kind of curved like a boat. The leather is not treated vachetta. It is a true brown leather on both sides. The D-rings on the ends appear to be the same. So I would say the only difference is this buckle here at the top. This chain right here is nice because it hits up high. It doesn't dangle below the bottom of the bag because that would just annoy me and drive me crazy if it would, hit the surface every time I tried to put my bag down. It does not, unfortunately, come with an with a microfiber lining. It comes with a regular dark brown fabric lining with the leather tag there in the back. I don't see any zippers, so that means the only method of organization you have basically is this pouch. Because of the huge success that I had with my Chanel hobo bag, which is basically the same as this loop hobo bag, I knew that this bag is going to be just as functional and user friendly as my Chanel hobo bag, if not even more, given that this bag is a lot, lighter in weight than this bag. This bag is full leather, and this chain is obnoxiously heavy. I talked about this before, but nevertheless, I love this bag. I also like to use it as a crossbody bag by attaching my cocoa handle strap to it from, you know, the chain on either side, and that transforms it into a um, shoulder bag, into a crossbody bag, you know, and it's really pretty when it has the chain dangling like that. So I'm really into that vibe. I like large slouchy bags that don't pressure me into deciding what to take and what to leave at home. And given the success that I had with this bag, like I said, this was a no-brainer in my opinion when I walked in, and that's why I left my sunset bag at the altar. But I promise you, sunset bag, I will be back because I am in love with that raisin microfiber lining and that huge Marc Jacobs buckle that it comes with. So I think it's going to be next on my wish list. But for now, this is the bag that I came home with, and I hope you guys think that I made the right decision choosing this bag. Now, I will not make a what fits in my bag video for this one because honestly, it would be easier to make a what does not fit in my bag um, for this bag because I mean, honestly, everything fits in here. I brought out a few things just to demonstrate. This is the what do they call this? This isn't a zippy wallet. This is actually called an organizer. So it's a lot larger than a zippy wallet. And there you go. You can throw that in easily. Um, I can throw in the pouch easily. I have my monogram pencil case. I think it's called Elizabeth pencil case, could be. I could be wrong, who knows? But this is full of my pens and my pencils, and I can throw that in there. Um, Let me try to put in my large, I think this is called the GM, I don't know, desk agenda something. It's the large size, so it's humongous. I have it full with some inserts. So I am going to put this guy in and see if that fits. Um, yeah, so it has to go in sideways and then it slips down into your bag. I mean, it's full of stuff now, but just look at that slouch. And it's full of items right now. It's beautiful. I love looking into my bags and seeing all of my items like that. I love the fact that my bag can do what it's supposed to do, which is to hold all of my things comfortably and, you know, and still be lightweight, be you know, carefree because it's monogram. I don't have any fascetta to deal with. Oh, that's another reason why I ditched the sunset bag and walked out with this one is because, as you can see, there is no vachetta whatsoever. It has the brown leather all around. The little bit of reverse monogram, I think, is chef's kiss. It's beautiful. It works with brown and black and beige and basically like all neutral colors. I don't really care about that. I just carry the bag I want. But if you're somebody that cares about, you know, matching your colors and all that, then this looks really good with black as well, not only browns. If you saw my last video, you know I have picked up a very dangerous habit of purchasing SLGs that match every new bag I get. Please do not do this. It is a very slippery slope. You will end up with more SLGs than you intended. When I picked up that bag, I had to get something to go with it, and here we are. This style is my favorite key holder slash card holder slash grab and go wallet. You can leave your car fob dangling on the outside, your keys on the inside with your credit card and your license here in the back, and you can grab and go and rush out of your house anytime, and basically this is all you need. I hope they never discontinue it. This piece is amazing and it truly has your back. This is the intruder I was talking about. Last item is a pair of shoes. Well, actually they're like clogs. kind of like Birkenstocks, which is a style that I absolutely love. I'm glad they're back in style, even though I don't care. I love them and I wear them anyway. They actually come in monogram, which would be a perfect match to my bag, but I thought that was too tacky. You guys let me know if monogram bag and monogram shoes together are, a tacky look. I thought it would be a bit too much. So instead of going for the monogram version of these shoes, I went for the black leather version with the gold hardware. So it has like a rubber sole on the bottom, very thick. The inside is leather, and it's not like a plush leather. This insole is very stiff, and it will need some considerable amount of breaking in for it to become comfortable. But because it is fully leather, I'm hoping that one day it will actually become comfortable and it will conform to the shape of my foot. But for now, I'm glad that it is all black leather, which is really durable. The sole looks like it will be weatherproof as well. And I just love the fact that it has all of these little gold details on the front. There's like an LV logo right there, the rivet that they use on their trunks, and their flowers. And actually, there's a heart there with LV engraved as well. Super, super cute and adorable. And it's kind of understated, which is why I went with this shoe versus the all monogram version. I thought that would just be too much, even though it is super cute. I will not lie. I am in love with those monogram Birkenstocks. I want to go back and get them at some point. Hopefully, I can because the monogram is actually part of their permanent line, while these are only like a seasonal piece. They're still available in store if you want them. I think they're great because they can go with my like black Chanel bags. The logos don't clash because this isn't really too noticeable or recognizable, but at the same time it can also go with monogram. Like I said, the brown leather trim goes well with black, so I think we're good there. That was my haul for today. Thank you so much for listening to me ramble. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and see you next time. Guys, no, no, wait. Before you go, I have to show you my jelly cat back charms. Seriously, this is crazy. Isn't this the cutest thing you have ever seen in your entire life? No, seriously, you have to let me know. Look at that. Look at that. Adorable. And back charms are in now, so we can have fun. And you can let your inner child run wild. Isn't that so cute? Somebody tell me, are we mixing metals on bag charms yet? Because this only comes with silver, and I insist on wearing it with my new loop hobo bag. So let me know if you think that is appropriate. This is what the little charm looks like. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is the cutest thing on earth, I swear. Ah, okay, here we go. That is too cute to be legal. But wait a minute. I have one more. Okay. Are you dead yet? Are you? Because I am. I am. No, seriously. This is too cute. Look at this little guy. Hello. All right. Okay. I think you've had enough of me. Bye.